Sense the rhythm of trees. Celebrate World Nature Conservation Day with Siddhasana. We all crave moments of peace, right? Sometimes the answer is right outside our door, nature's hug. At Siddhasana, we believe nature quiets the mind and heals the soul. It's a powerful antidote to de stress daily woes. Quiet mind and nature connection awakens inner peace. This World Nature Conservation Day, let's not just appreciate nature, but immerse ourselves in it. Pledge to protect what heals us. Explore Siddhasana retreats to find your rhythm in nature.